Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go ahead and be reviewing the wheel cleaner kit. So again, this is going to be the wheel cleaner with the tire shine with the all-purpose cleaner. So we're going to go ahead and review that on this dirty SS. At the same time, I'm actually reviewing the foam cannon. I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone. Let's hope it works out, but it's going to be really complicated with editing, but you guys don't have to worry about that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out these wheels. Now they're not too dirty. Like I was explaining in the other video, this Camaro is more of a weekend driver. It looks nice. That's how we stay, making it look clean and beautiful. It is really dusty, but again, the wheels are just covered in this brake dust. You can go ahead and see that difference right there. Alright guys, so in this package you're going to go ahead and get the Eco all-purpose cleaner with the ultimate wheel cleaner with the tire shine, and this actually comes with the sponge as well. Shout out to Estrella, she's actually holding it up for me. And I just want to go ahead and state again, as always, this video is not sponsored, but I do have a discount code, so if you do want to go ahead and purchase yourself anything afterwards, go ahead and click the link in the description and use my code. So without further ado, let's go ahead and wash up this SS. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and actually hit it with the ultimate wheel cleaner as well as the all-purpose cleaner right here. So we're gonna go ahead and actually just spray it on here. They both say mist it. Both are actually, the ultimate wheel cleaner actually says to shake well, so we're gonna go ahead and do that first. But we're gonna go ahead and clean it up first, and then we're gonna head and actually hit it with the tire shine after the car's washed. Alright guys, so we're just actually misting it like it says per instructions. Go ahead and just cover up. Okay, so now that the whole rim's actually covered in it, we're gonna go ahead and allow it 30 seconds to actually go ahead and pull away all that grime and brake dust and anything that's actually sitting on this wheel. Okay, so while that's happening, we're gonna go ahead and hit the all-purpose cleaner just over the tire and a little bit on the rim, so it allows it again to go ahead and pull all away all that brake dust. Okay guys, when it actually comes to the wheel cleaner, it actually says in the instructions to actually go ahead and spray it off with a little more powerful water source. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and actually use the pressure washer right here. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse off this wheel. Alright guys, so that was actually a handless wash. Okay, so again, a handless wash means I didn't actually scrub it with any sponge or anything like that. Now you can if there's more grime in there that, you know, it's like really stuck on there. But this was again really just dusty with a lot of brake dust. Nothing, no grease, no oil, nothing like that. No paint or anything like that stuck on there. So again, it just came right off. Beautiful, I love it. Let's go ahead and hit the other wheels. Alright guys, so another clean wheel. We're gonna go ahead and actually hit the other two wheels, and you guys can actually see we're actually losing the daylight here, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the other two wheels. That way we can go ahead and return and actually finish up the other review that I'm doing currently. Again, it's gonna be the foam cannon review, so go ahead and check that video out if you have not. So let's go ahead and actually hit the other two wheels and get washed. Alright guys, so now that the wheels are all cleaned up, the car's all washed up, the foam cannon freaking performed amazing. No, I'm not gonna lie, I cannot believe what I said in there, but I actually did say that the foam cannon was actually better than the Chemical Guys. I have never gotten as many suds as I got with the Chemical Guys foam cannon and the Chemical Guys soaps. You guys know I love Chemical Guys. You guys know I've been using them for a very long time, but I have to admit it, Vvash actually outperformed Chemical Guys. Amazing. Go ahead and check out the review video. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and actually apply the tire shine. The wheels are still a little wet as far as the tires. The rims are actually nice and dry, but the tires still have a little bit of moisture. So we're gonna go ahead and dry it up with a nice towel, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply the tire shine to the side with their sponge. Alright guys, so with all their bottles, they always come like this, and they actually come with the sprayer on the side, the nozzle. So we're gonna go ahead and actually put in the nozzle. It is always a little bit longer. I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it's extra long. That way when you put it in, it actually goes to the corner, so you can go ahead and get all the product out of it. Alright guys, so again, when we actually went ahead and washed the actual wheel earlier, we actually put the all-purpose cleaner on the tire as instructions right here. Make sure that the tires are cleaned with Vvash Auto Care all-purpose cleaner. So we went ahead and did that. Alright, so it actually says to go ahead and apply it to the outer wheel of the tire. So we're gonna go ahead and actually do that. It says about 6 inches away, so I'm just gonna go ahead and guesstimate that. And then we have the sponge right here that you can go ahead and see. It's a perfect fit and when you actually put it in here. So you can actually go ahead and put the edge of one side into the rim right here and push it up, and you can go ahead and see, again, it is a perfect fit. So I applied a little bit to the outer wheel, and then I actually went ahead and applied a little bit to the sponge. We're gonna go ahead again, it's a perfect fit. You just go ahead and put it, and you can go ahead and go all the way around. Alright, so now we're actually looking at it. My first impression comparing to a lot of higher end companies like Armor All, or Chemical Guys, or again like these different companies that you go ahead and use. The main purpose of any company with the tire shines is to go ahead and give it a nice shine to the tire. Again, a nice shine to the tire, but we don't want any of that wetness when you drive it. It actually splashes all over the car or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and let it sit a little bit. Again, it's actually looking really good. But again, I wanna go ahead and let it sit for a little bit, and let's see how it is after it actually dries and cures into the tire. Alright guys, so now we went ahead and let it sit for a little bit. Let's go ahead and show you the results. So here we have it. It looks pretty good to me. I'm not really too picky when it comes to the tire shine, as long as it leaves it good and shiny and it doesn't fade away. Because again, a lot of those companies, you go ahead and actually just apply it, and after like 20 minutes, it basically fades. And right now, it looks pretty good. It keeps a nice, long-lasting shine. So the whole kit's about $40, about $39.99. And honestly, I go ahead and recommend it. It worked amazing. I loved it. The handless wash was amazing. It really helped having the pressure washer. If you don't have the pressure washer, I'll probably recommend go ahead and just scrubbing it down with a little sponge or something to make sure you get all that grime off. With the pressure washer, per instruction, it actually went ahead and washed it off handless. I didn't have to go ahead and scrub it or anything. It came off nice and clean. Again, it's $39.99, but go ahead and stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe, because we're gonna go ahead and be having a giveaway soon. If you haven't watched the actual foam cannon, I highly recommend you go watch that, because I do mention that I'm gonna be going ahead and do the giveaway with the foam cannon as well as with this package. So go ahead and stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because that's probably where I'm gonna post it first. So I'm gonna go ahead again and hook you guys all up. Again, this video is not sponsored, so go ahead and use the discount code in the description below if you wanna go ahead and pick it up and you don't wanna wait for the giveaway. But again, I'm gonna be going ahead and giving away this. Again, this is about $40, and the foam cannon's about, I believe, like $80 with the soap. So I'm gonna be hooking you guys up. Go ahead and stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Again, loving Vvash, loving the products. I'm growing on them, as you guys can go ahead and see over there. And it's crazy, but I actually fell in love with this new company. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thanks for watching. Again, stay tuned. Big things are coming. And again, Vvash is killing it. I'm loving them. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out guys. Thanks for supporting.